Best places to definitely see while visiting Yogyakarta in Indonesia on a budget. Hey travelers! Welcome back to our channel. If you are planning to visit Indonesia, a rich combination of beauty and cultural heritage on a budget, then you've come to the correct spot. Today we're exploring Indonesia's cultural hub, Yogyakarta, or Jogja as the locals call it, and I'm here to show you the greatest spots to visit on a budget. This video is for backpackers, budget travelers, and anybody who appreciates good value for money. So stay tuned, or better yet, subscribe and bookmark this video for later. Malioboro Street. Our first stop is the famous Malioboro Street, the pulsing core of Jogja's retail district. And guess what? It is free to explore. This lively and exotic street is lined with inexpensive meals, street entertainers, and vendors offering anything from batik clothing to homemade souvenirs. The most important tip is to bring cash. You will be surprised to know that most shops and street vendors don't take cards. Also, don't be shy. Haggling is part of the fun. You will enjoy the quirkiness of the street vendors and will be amazed at how good they are when it comes to small talk. You may easily grab a t-shirt for less than $3 or enjoy street foods like satay and bakpia for less than $1. Cheap food that tastes delicious. What else does a foodie on a budget want? Borobudur Temple. Next up is the beautiful Borobudur Temple. Located in Magelang, Central Java, this temple is the largest Buddhist monument in the world. From above, it seems like a massive three-dimensional mandala, the mystic Buddhist emblem of the world that unites the square as earth and the circle as heaven. Looks straight out of a fiction movie. While this UNESCO World Heritage Site is not free, it is well worth the little cost. For foreigners, the price of a ticket is around $25. But here's a budget hack. Instead of arranging a costly dawn tour, visit the neighboring Puntuk Setumbo Hill for a few bucks and enjoy a breathtaking view of Borobudur with the sunrise in the background. Taman Sari. Next up is Taman Sari Water Castle, which is located in the middle of the city. It was formerly the Sultan's royal garden. Now it has turned into one of the most beautiful, calm, and picturesque historical sites. Some highlights include the Umbu Binangun bathing pools, the majestic Gedong Kenongo, an artificial island, and the famous Sumur Gumuling, an underground mosque. Taman Sari's unique touch of heritage and breathtaking views make it one of the top things to do in Yogyakarta. Also, the entrance fee is just $2. Prambanan Temple. Another must-visit landmark is Prambanan Temple. This is Indonesia's largest Hindu temple complex, located about 45 minutes away from the city center of Yogyakarta. Also, it is super accessible by public transportation, including the Trans-Jogja bus. It makes frequent stops at the Prambanan bus station. One of the greatest attractions is the Ramayana Ballet, which is performed on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. It is an amazing performance, a cultural dance showing the story of how Rama rescued Sita with a majestic temple as the background. Its beautiful architecture and rich history can't be missed if you visit Yogyakarta. The ticket price is just $25. Mount Merapi Jeep Tour. If you are a fan of adventure and want to try something different, then you have to go for a Mount Merapi Jeep Tour. Some packages are quite friendly and cost only $10 to $15. The beautiful Mount Merapi holds great religious importance for the locals. It is frequently referred to as the House of Gods, emphasizing its spiritual significance. You will be surprised to see how it is usual for villagers to lay offerings on the mountain before major events or festivities. You will get to see lava ruins and abandoned bunkers and experience the most amazing panoramic views of the volcano. However, earthquakes are quite common here, so plan your tour thoroughly and carefully. And that's a wrap! If you enjoy ancient temples, colorful markets, picturesque volcanoes, or mouth-watering street cuisine, Yogyakarta has it all. The greatest part? The majority of stuff is affordable. We would love to hear which of these sites would be your first stop. Or do you know of a hidden treasure in Jogja that wasn't on the list? Leave your ideas in the comment section and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Until next time!